Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. Before we start, let's check if everything is working. So you can let me know, if you can let me know on the chat, if you can hear me well, if you can see me, and we can start our live trading session. Okay, everything should be good. Let me just double check, okay? Give me 2 seconds, guys, and we're gonna start our trading session. All should be working. So, guys, on today's session, we're going to focus on our all-in ASAP strategy because this strategy is working the best in the morning, okay? It's 9 a.m. London just opened, so it's perfect timing for us. Of course, this strategy you can use early morning, just after open of the day. Probably some of the targets are already settled, but we're gonna look for other targets, what we can still use at this time. Okay, it's all working good. So we're gonna focus on all-in ASAP strategy. Later on our live trading session at 2 p.m., so US session, we're gonna focus on different strategy, price action cycle. That strategy works the best during US session. So every strategy works in different hours, and you need to understand that. All in ASAP, it's working the best in the morning from open of the day till like midday. So for us, it's the best time. So before we're gonna move to the charts, I would like to check macroeconomic calendar. We are checking that before every single session. Let me just change the language. Okay, economic calendar. I'm using investing.com. If you like, you can use any other website to check macroeconomic news, Forex Factory, econoday.com, many more. This one is quite good. I'm using this for years, so I know a lot of advertising here, but I don't mind. They are showing us important news, which is good. So today is Tuesday, the 4th of November. We are looking at 3 stars news. So this 3 stars means this is high volatility, high impact for the market. Okay. So in the morning there was interest rate decision in Australia. So probably Australian dollar in the morning was moving a bit more faster. Okay, so what we got in the morning, it's 9 a.m. UTC +2. What's coming up? European Central Bank President Lagarde speaks at 11. I don't think it's gonna have much impact to the market, so let's leave it. Let's have a look at 3 stars. Later on at 4 p.m. we got gold's job openings. This is quite important, and usually we can expect high volatility on the market, especially on currency pairs related to US dollar, gold, because gold is quoted in US dollar. So we need to look for that. That is at 4 p.m. So probably on our next session, on US session, we're gonna look for those news. At this moment, we still got plenty of time to open positions and close them before 4 p.m. Later on this evening, nothing else what is important for us. So 4 p.m. Remember, guys, if you are trading on founded accounts, you cannot trade during news, so you cannot open or close any position in a specific time window. So make sure you read always terms and conditions. But if you are trading a live account, of course, you can do that. That's no problem. So 4 p.m. for sure, Jolt's opening time. Yo, hello. So Jolts are at 4 p.m. All right, guys, let's move on to the charts. We can jump on to MT4. On MT4, because we got a lot of trading tools for MT4. Of course, we can check it out on trading view, but for this strategy, I'm using MT4 because I got this special tool for this strategy. So it's calculating my risk. It's showing me daily targets. It's showing me clusters, everything what I need in one place. Okay. On this MT4 platform, I got Trade Copier, which is copying my trade directly into MFA account. This account is for live trading sessions. So every single trade we open during live trading session is on this account. So you can see the profits. Everything is transparent because we do it on live trading session. And on this account, risk is 0.1%, okay? Because this is quite big account, so risk is around $1,000 per trade. Okay, so if we're gonna open any trade over here, it should be directly copied to MFA platform. All right, guys, so let's start from Euro USD. We're gonna check all the major currency pairs, and also we're gonna have a look at gold and crude oil. Okay, if you know this strategy, you should know that it's working on cryptocurrencies as well. Basically, it's working on every single currency pair, on every single assets. Of course, on some of assets it's working better, on some worse. So you have to check, do some back tests, which currency pair works the best for you. Okay, is Discord payout section add, please? In Discord payout section, add, please. Okay. Strong Discord community. Yes, it's very strong Discord community. We got thousands of people in our community and international community because we got people from around the world. So it's quite good. So if some of you guys didn't see our Discord, you can join us. So just find us, or I think there will be a link under the video as well. All right, so let's start from Euro USD. This is 1 hour time frame, okay? We are using for this strategy mostly 1 hour time frame. Yesterday we did plan from lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. We're gonna check if we're gonna be able to do that today as well. Okay, so first of all, before we start, we need to check if we got any targets close by. You can see we got target which is above the price. This target is from the 30th, so this is from Thursday, and we can still use that. Okay, the price didn't get to the target the next day, but we can still use it. But we're gonna have to wait for the market structure to change, okay? Because like you can see, we are going down, so we are in bearish market structure. But let's have a look if we got anything lower. This one here is quite far away, 180 pips, so for us it's too far at this moment. You can see target from yesterday is already settled. Let's check it out. Open high and low. You can see the price got straight away in the morning to our target. So we cannot use it anymore. But don't worry, I want to check lower time frame because maybe we're going to be able to use different kind of targets. Okay. Let me just change the settings of this tool. And I want to check something. Okay. Check time, let's say 0.15. Okay. All right. It should show us different kind of targets, like this one here. One more thing. Let me just prepare this. I need to check one more. Show all levels. Yes. And this one false. Good. You can see these targets are a little bit different, okay? These are daily targets. We do it in the same way as we do the previous day, so open, high, low, but this is from different hours, okay? We can also check the statistics. If I click on here, we can see 86% of these targets are settled the same day. That means the price is going back to those targets the same day. Check Bitcoin. I do not trade on Bitcoin, so maybe later, if we're gonna have time, I can have a look. But I don't really trade Bitcoin, so we will see. If we're gonna have time, I can have a look. Okay, so statistics, we got 86%. And look at this target. Let's move on to 5 minutes time frame, and we can see that we got target over here with 86% of chances that the price will get here today. Okay. So we're gonna try to use this target in a little bit different way. We're gonna do it from 5 minutes time frame, so lower time frame. All I need for this target basically is trend line. Let me change the color. Okay. All I need is trend line. It's a little bit long, so we still got plenty of space to break through this trend line. But no worries, guys. If we're going to have another swing over here, we're going to move this trend line like this, and we're going to have much more space to open the position, okay? Let me just mark some important zones for us. This is support resistance zone at this moment. So if we're going to have swing over here, after the breakout, we can think about opening the trade to get to the target. We got plenty of space because at this moment we got around 26 pips, which is good. Enough. This is enough for us, okay? Let me just check if we got some kind of rotation channel. No. Okay. So we're gonna come back to this one for sure because I think we're gonna be able to open the trade during the session, which is gonna be good. Over here, we can add something else, Asian session, okay? This box is the Asian session from open of the day till 8 a.m. till 8 a.m. UTC plus 2, so when Europe is opening. And the price got into this area, which is like liquidity area. I don't want to talk about liquidity in this strategy because we are not looking at liquidity when we try to find opportunities to open the trade to get to the target. But this target is a little bit different, so we're gonna look at this as well. The price got into liquidity area and we got reaction. Okay, is this reaction strong? Just a small pullback. We will see what's going to happen later. To be honest, I would like to see something like this, that the price will go higher so we can add the trend line like this. And we're going to wait for the breakout, okay? And then we're going to open position, maybe 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, okay? So we're going to come back to this one because this one is quite interesting. Remember, we got 86% chances that the price will come back here. So all we need to do, we need to just find the right place to open our trade. And to be honest, if we have a look at 1 hour time frame, this direction is good for me. Why? Because if you look at market structure, we are going down, okay? We are in bearish market structure. So this direction for me it's much better than buying, okay? If market structure will change, okay, of course, we can think about buying over here. Maybe we got target somewhere here. Maybe we're gonna be able to use different targets. But at this moment, let's have a look at this place. What's gonna happen over here? And we're gonna have to come back to see in a few minutes time. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have swing here. It looks like we're gonna have swing. So I'm gonna mark another trend line. And this trend line will be much better than this one here. Okay, so let me just remove it and let's stick to this one over here. Right, let's move on to GBP USD. Let's check the targets. We got target from yesterday, which is above the price, but there is one condition. We are in bearish market structure at this moment. Because we are in bearish market structure, we are in some kind of range. To be honest, if we are in range, probably, yes, we are somewhere at the bottom of this range. Maybe there is a chance to open the trade to get to this target. But we need right market structure, okay, to open the position. The first condition is we need to have bullish or bearish market structure, depends which way we want to go. So if we want to go up, so if we want to buy, we need to be in bullish market structure. At this moment, market structure is bearish. So we cannot use it. Also, we would have to wait for the price to close above exponential moving average. If we're gonna see a situation like this, probably there will be no space left for us to open the trade, okay? I don't want to open trade with 5 pips stop loss. It's gonna be too tight. Okay, any targets under? No, under the price, not really. Okay, let's move forward. USD CHF. Okay, USD CHF. This is situation from yesterday. I'm gonna show you trading journal because on yesterday's session we made a plan for this asset. Okay, USD CHF 4-hour time frame. You see, this is the plan from yesterday. So price was here. We were waiting for the breakout, retest, and look what's happening. Let's move to 4-hour time frame. We got breakout, retest, and now we might have opportunity to go up. Okay. To do that, we're gonna move to lower time frame, but let me just explain what's going on over here. Basically, we got old target. 1 second. We got old target from 11th of September, and we are around, let's say, 56 pips, which is good. Okay, so we want to use this old target from all-in ASAP strategy. All we need to do is we need to check market structure from 4-hour time frame, which is at this moment bullish. Okay, we got strong impulse over here. The market structure is bullish. So the direction we want to go, it's the right direction. Now let's move to 1-hour time frame because it's gonna be easier for us to open the trade. Okay, so this is exponential moving average 21. Let me just change over here. Okay, this is exponential moving average. Okay, so first condition, market structure is good. Okay, it's good. Let me just check the trend line. If we can add any trend line over here, that might help us. Okay, we can leave this trend line. We got some reactions here. 1, 2, nearly 3, 4, 5 reactions, which is good. Okay. Also, this is the support, and this is support for buyers at this moment. So if the price will stay over here, and we're gonna see reaction. We're gonna open the trade. Okay, we are around 50 pips, but we need to look what's gonna happen in this area. If the price will break through the support resistance zone and support line, there is a chance that we're gonna have some pullback, maybe correction. Okay, maybe the price will go down, maybe after they will go up. So we cannot break through. The price needs to stay in this area. If they're gonna stay over here and we're gonna see reaction and the price will close above this area and we're gonna bounce from this support line, we're gonna open the trade. Okay, our stop loss and take profit. So we need to wait for the bullish candle closing above exponential moving average. We're gonna open the trade with the stop loss under this support resistance zone, and our take profit will be at the target, like 1-2 pips before the target. Okay, so risk to reward will be my risk will be 1% and take profit will be 2%. Okay, so we just need to wait for another candle to close. So another 40 minutes, if it's gonna be bullish and if it's gonna close above exponential moving average, let's go. So let me make a screenshot. Screenshot, okay. And we're gonna put that in our diary, trading journal. Okay. So today is 4th of November. Okay. And we are looking at USD CHF 1 hour time frame. And we are using all-in ASAP strategy. So I need to wait for the price to react at support and resistance zone plus trend line, and if the price if the candle will close above exponential moving average 21, I will open position with risk to reward 1 to 2. Stop loss will be under support and resistance. Okay, we got our plan is ready. Let me just put the screen. Okay. It's good to keep your trading journal, guys. If you got any plans, put it in your trading journal. Later on, it's gonna be easier to review that. And even if you're gonna open the position and you're gonna hit stop loss, you can go back to the trade and see what you did wrong. Maybe you did something wrong. So it's good to review your trading journal every single day. By the end of the day, check it out. You can improve anything. So we got plan over here. Look, USD CHF 1 hour time frame. Buy. Okay, let me just change color. Okay, so we are waiting for the candle to close above exponential moving average. Let's have a look now. They stopped for a minute. Okay, Euro USD, we might have our chance soon. Okay, because if this candle is gonna close like this, we're gonna have fail swing over here. Because if you look, we had higher highs, higher lows, and if we're gonna have swing over here, this will be fail swing. Okay, and if we're gonna break through this trend line, we're gonna wait also for this zone, because this zone, even if we're gonna break through, this zone can stop us from getting to the target. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait a little bit. And if we're gonna break through, retest of exponential, of trend line or support. Okay, support zone. So we're gonna do it like this. But let's wait a few more minutes. Maybe they will still go up somewhere, and we're gonna have maybe more space from this area. So we're gonna come back to that in about 5-10 minutes. USD CHF. Okay, let's move forward. USD CAD. Let's check for the targets. Okay, we got the targets. Let me just remove it. Okay, and previous day high low. We got target from yesterday, which is around 18 pips away. It's too close because we need space around 20 pips to open the position. And even if we're going to have a reaction on the exponential moving average, I think that we're going to have like 10 pips left. So too tight, but we can use it probably for reaction. Let me just check how many pips. Oh, we got 2 pips, 1.5 pips, and here we got 1 pips. All right, situation changed, guys, because if we got target and the price will get to the target like 1.5, 2 pips, and they're gonna reverse 2 pips before the target, for me, this target is done. So both of them, for me, they are already settled, okay? I was wondering if I can set order for reaction, but no. The price got very close to the target, so for me, this is done. So USD CHF, we cannot do anything at this moment. Let's move forward. USD JPY, 1 hour time frame. Let me just remove indicators. Okay. Good. Any targets? Not really. No targets close by. Unfortunately, no. But let's have a look from 5 minutes time frame. Let me just change some settings. 0.2. So we're gonna look for days targets, okay, from different hours. So open high low from specific hour. Okay, let's have a look. One more thing I need to change. Show all levels, yes, and right, we don't need that. False, okay. So we got target over here, which probably we're gonna be able to use. Let's check the statistics. We got only 60 trading days, 80%. We need some more historical data. So let's download history. GBP, USD JPY. 1 hour time frame should be good. If we're gonna download more history, we're gonna have more statistics, okay? So let's wait just a minute and we will see what's going on. In the meantime, let's see what's going on Euro USD. Slowly coming back. Good, good. We might have opportunity in the second. I'm looking at trading view because I cannot do nothing at MT4 at this moment because we need to download history. So we can have a look over here. Let me just prepare the Euro USD, but we got trade copier, so doesn't matter. Okay, Euro USD. Did you guys check new MFA platform? Did you like it? Let me know in the comments. I think it's pretty good. Still a few more minutes. Okay, so this is gonna be our support resistance zone. Good. Okay, I think we got it. All we need to do is just scroll. January, September, May, June. Come on. Okay, should be enough. Should be enough. Let's check again if we got some more statistics. Yes, we can. We got some more statistics. So trading day 680, closed the same day 78%, which is good. Yes, which is good. So maybe we're gonna be able to use this target also. 46 pips. Let me just have a look. Over here. I want to check this impulse over here. We got reaction nearly at, sorry, we got reaction at 50% of this impulse, which is also good. Okay, because we had trading range, some kind of trading range. It got down, so maybe we're gonna be able to go up again, and we're gonna try to use it. This target over here. So the same. All we need is the trend line. Oh, this is looking good. This is looking good. 26 pip. Stop loss 26. 1, 2. Setting range about 20. Limit order. Okay, let them just come back a little bit down. 111 pips. Need to just come back down a little bit. I want to have better entry. We got this support line over here, trend line. We got breakout. We got retest of this trend line, and also perfect reaction at 50% of gut move. That enter position basically over here. Hopefully they're gonna come back to open our position, because if they're gonna go straight up, not really good. But I don't want to open position over here because my risk to reward, I will have to set stop loss over here, and this is not the best place to stop for our stop loss. So let's wait. Euro USD, not yet. They're trying to break through, but not yet. We got support line over support zone over here, but the price just they might go down some a little bit more. Come on, guys, let's. We need 10 pips. We need 10 pips. They need to go down a little bit. Let me just move it. This should be okay. So we got 1 to 2 risk to reward. I don't want to run after the markets. If they're gonna go, they're gonna go. We just a little bit late. But if they're gonna go, we know that the plan was good. Okay. Hopefully they're gonna come back. Okay, I'm gonna leave this order. Hopefully they're gonna come back here and my order will be activated. Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD is looking good. We need to wait for the breakout. Then we're gonna set our position. USD CHF. If this candle gonna close in about 20 minutes time, like this, we're gonna open position as well. Okay. So we got 3 different plans already. USD JPY, let me just make a screenshot of this. Let's put it in the trading journal. Safe. Okay. So we got USD JPY 5 minutes time frame. Buy position. Okay, so what's happening here? Come on. There is a target with 78% chances. Retested, retest. Yes. I was a bit late with these trades. That's why I set limit order to have better entry. Okay. USD JPY 5 minutes time frame buy limit. Good. We got another plan. Euro USD, we are breaking through. Now, this is important, guys. This area, if it's gonna hold, or maybe buyers will take over and we're gonna go higher. So this is very important. If we're gonna break through this area here, we're gonna look for some pullback and we're gonna open position to get to that target. Okay, so I'm gonna put this plan into trading journal as well. Euro USD 5 minutes. 5 minute time frame. We got target. There is a target with 86%. Today. I'm just waiting for the price to break through. If there will be strong execute the trade with risk to reward one, right, 1 to 2. Okay. I need to few more minutes. Okay, we got another plan. Another plan. Okay, we got 3 different plans already. It's looking good. Here we got buy limit, and over here we link to sell. Okay, let's move forward. We got still few other assets to check. This one here, limit order is set, so we just need to wait. Euro USD is looking good because we are breaking through, so perfect. Maybe if there's gonna be reaction over here, they're gonna retest this trend line, and the price will close under. Maybe we can consider open the trade over here. Okay, we will see. USD JPY not yet. Australian dollar. Let's have a look at 1 hour time frame. Clusters. We don't need clusters at this moment. Okay, and do we have any targets? Yes, we do have targets, but it's above the price. Okay, so but we got another one here, which is around 40 pips away. Okay. The gap is just closed. You can see the gap has been closed. This is resistance, support resistance area at this moment. Let me change the color. Okay. Custom. Market structure is bearish, so it's good. If you want to go down, it's good. Okay. 1 hour time frame. This might be good trade, but we are quite far from exponential moving average, and I would like to retest exponential moving average. Okay, so we can just hold on, because if this support is important, we should break through and retest it. Okay, if we're gonna retest it from the other side, we got more chances that we're gonna get to this target. If we're gonna open position now, there is a chance that we're gonna go a little bit lower, and maybe they're gonna stay somewhere here. Maybe they're gonna come back up. So if we want to make sure this trade is good, we need to wait for the breakout to retest, and after retest, we're gonna wait also for exponential moving average, and this trade will be much better. Okay, we're gonna have more chances to get to the target. So simple plan, but you need to remember that we are in some kind of support for buyers at this moment, so we can bounce from this area. So it's better to wait for the breakout, retest, and then try to find a place to execute the trade. Okay. I'm gonna make a screenshot. I'm gonna put it in our diary as well. Trading journal, not diary. So this is Australian dollar, US dollar, 1 hour time frame. Sell. I'm just waiting for breakouts through support and resistance zone, and after retest and reaction, I will look for a place to open a trade with risk to reward 1 to 2. Exponential moving average 21. Okay, simple plan. We'll see what's gonna happen. Market is bearish. Good. All right. We are breaking through, guys. Very good. I know we have another zone over here, and we just stop over there, but don't worry. We're gonna wait for the retest, maybe over here, and we're gonna be good to go. Maybe there will be retest up to here even. We will see. We will see. USD JPY, come on. Come on. I want to place a trade on live trading session, guys, so you can see how it works. 20. Good. So So we got 4 different plans. USD CHF from 1 hour time frame, we want to go up. In about 9 minutes, we can decide if we want to open this trade or not. Because if this candle gonna close like this, we won't be able to open the trade because we need this candle to close above exponential moving average. So we need to go a little bit higher, okay? But we got few other plans as well. We got USD JPY limit order is set because I was late for entry, so hopefully they're gonna come back, open the position. Euro USD, we got plan. We just need to wait for the perfect moment to enter the position. And Australian dollar probably in few hours time because we need to wait for the retest of support resistance zone. Okay, so let's move forward. We got some other assets to check also. New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar. Are there any targets? Not really. There are no targets, so we cannot do nothing over here. Look at this area, the support zone, support resistance zone. Breakout, retest, and boom. And that's what we are waiting for on Australian dollar, okay? We got target under the price, which is good. Okay, let's have a look at gold. What's going on gold? Daily targets. Let me just change something. Mhm. Any targets? No targets on gold. Unfortunately, it's all settled. Good, good. Let's check crude oil. Also, no targets. That's fine, guys. That's fine. No worries. We got 4 different plans, so hopefully this one here, it's looking very good, guys. It's looking very good. The only thing what I'm waiting for is the small pullback. Maybe I will set limit order over here with stop loss 14. How much we got? How many pips? 21. So stop loss should be around 10 pips. Okay. Stop loss for 10 pips. Risk to reward 1 to 2. Setting range for about 10 pips. Limit sell limits. Okay. Okay. USD JPY. Come on, only few pips. We need to just drop down like 10 pips. Oh, USD CHF is looking good. If this candle is gonna close like this, perfect. We're gonna open the trade, okay? But as you know, usually open 2 trades, so maybe I will do it on different account. Let me think. No. Come on, they need to come back. I don't want to miss this trade, and I don't want to miss this trade. We are so close to open. $4 minutes left. 3 minutes for USD CHF. For this one here. So yeah, probably we're gonna do it on different accounts. I can do it on different accounts. This one is small. This is small account, so USD CHF. Stop loss for so where is the target? 2 minutes. Let's stay stop loss for 20 pips. 2 to 1. Come on. I know they want to come back. If we have over here 20 pips, let's make it 21. So I can move this stop loss a little bit higher. Okay. Nice. Now we just need to wait. All we need is patience. USD JPY, no. USD CHS. 1 minute for this candle to close. It doesn't look too good. It should be better. Let's see. Not this one. Not this one. USD CHF. It's not the best candle. It's not the signal candle. We're gonna have to wait a little bit. Wait a little bit for this one. And what's going on Euro? They need to come back. I don't want them to go straight to the target. And also USD JPY. We need to just come back few pips. This trade should be open already over here. Okay? But what can you do? What can you do? So guys, did you place any trades today already? What's your trading? What's your strategy? You can see we got 4 different plans for today. Oh, and Australian dollar also. But this one we're gonna have to wait. for the retest. Breakout and retest. Okay. No worries. This might be for later. Gold. USD QI. If we miss this trade, if they're gonna go straight down, I'm not worried too much because we're gonna have some more opportunities during QS session. So nothing to worry about. But we know the plan was good. Okay, because we are going straight to the targets. So target is working. USDJPY. Yeah, I think they're gonna come back. Look, they stopped. There's no power of buyers at this moment, so they might come back. Okay, let's open USDCHF. The candle closed above exponential moving average. We got reaction, support, resistance, also the trend line. With a small risk, we can do it. Okay, USDCHF. Let's wait just a little bit. Not yet. I'm gonna wait another few minutes. Come on, we're gonna wait for one order to be activated, then we're gonna finish session because I want to show you how the trade is open. So we can see it's really open, okay? And it's really open on this account over here. We got trade copier. But we need few more minutes. Like this. It's a very good plan, so I'm pretty confident. Of course, there is a chance that I'm gonna hit stop loss. There's always a chance of stop loss, but this is good plan. This is a good plan. If you back test it 1 year or 2 years back, you will see it's working quite well. But of course, there are some stop losses. Come on, one trade, guys, one trade. All right. What else can we do? Someone said you want to check Bitcoin, right? Let's check Bitcoin. I do not trade on Bitcoin, but I'm just curious what's going on over there. Chart window. Okay, let's put our all-in panel and see if we got any targets on this one. All-in panel. Oh, we got plenty of targets just under the price. Something's wrong with the statistics here. Whoa. No, I know there is a target over here, but I just wanted to have a look at Bitcoin. I'm not trading Bitcoin, so I'm just curious how it looks like at this moment. Because we dropped down from nearly 130,000 to 103. Huge drop over here. And we got big drop today as well, around $4,000. Yeah, Bitcoin is moving quite fast. All right, USD JPY, come on, let's go. Euro USD, they want to come back. They forgot about us, so they need to come back. Let's go back. USD CHF, no. I can set probably order over here, but you can see there is reaction, bearish reaction. So I can set order, but this is gonna be top order. Oh, come on. Over here. Okay, where is our take profit? Is at level 81233. 81233. So we can actually two more pips higher. Okay, and stop loss is good. Okay, so order is set on USD CHF, limit order, stop order. So if the price will go higher, order will be activated. Stop loss is under the support and resistance zone, which we can see over here. So trade is open. It's not open yet. Not open yet. So let me just make a screenshot. Okay, that is USD CHF. USD CHF. So it's not gonna be on that account which I'm using for live trading sessions because I got two pending orders and I don't want to add another order. I told you I'm with only two orders, but I can use this small account over here. That's no problem. Good. Okay, good. Okay. USD JPY. Yes, they're coming back for us. Good. And Euro slowly, but they are coming back. We need a few more pips. Few more pips. Good. Okay, guys, I don't think I want to hold you anymore. We need to just wait. You know, we can sit here for another hour to these orders, for activation of these orders. You can see nearly hour over here. and the price is still in the same place, so we can wait another hour. I'm gonna leave it. The only thing is, if these orders won't activate or the price will go straight to the target, I will remove them. Okay, they need to be activated like before, let's say 2 p.m. So in about 4 hours time. If the orders won't activate, I will remove them, because we need to know that later on we got some news coming up, jolts in United States. So very important news. Markets might move quite fast in that time. So I don't want to trade during that time, and so I will leave it for another 4 hours. Hopefully, the orders are gonna activate and we're gonna get some profits. Okay. So 2 orders on this account over here, they will be copy directed to MFA platform, and one over here on the smallest account, on the small account, we will see. This is buy stop order, but still waiting for activation. Okay. So we got 3 orders, we got 4 different plans basically. Everything is in trading journal. We got USD CHF 1 hour time frame. Also we got USD JPY from lower time frame, different targets. Also we got Euro USD 5 minutes time frame. Nice target with 86% of chances that the price will get to that target today. Also Australian dollar, but for this one we're gonna have to wait, because we need to wait for the breakout and retest of support resistance zone. And that's it. So we got few nice, I would say, plans, nice trades. We just need to wait now. So guys, we can relax now, and next session will be at 2 p.m. So in about 4 hours time. And we're gonna look for some opportunities on the market using price action cycle. So if you prefer US session, please join us on our live trading session. For those who are the first time, you can see on the screen the code LIVE25. The MFA is a partner of ALLinTraders, so you can use this code to get 25% discount on any challenge in MFA trader. So quite nice discount. Check it out on mfatraders.com. 25% for you. So check it out. Thank you guys for now, and I will see you later on during US session. Take care.